Your iPad can be a productivity powerhouse if you have the right apps. In today's video, we are counting down the top 5 most productive app for your iPad that will transform how you work, create and study in your iPad. Hey there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. If you want to get the most out of your iPad, then you are at right place. We have picked one must-have apps from 5 categories, and it may be possible few categories you may not want, so you can choose. So I'm gonna pick one app from all these categories, which are note-taking, task management, creativity, study and business. So without further ado, let's dive into our first category, which is note-taking. In case of note-taking, hands down GoodNote is the best note-taking app available for iPad. Not only that, it also received iPad App of the Year in 2022. That also, kind of talk about how good this app is when Apple itself is recognizing it. And if you are already subscriber of iPad Essential, then you know how many note-taking apps we have covered so far in this channel. And if I need to pick a single app for iPad, and again, I'm not considering other platform, for example, Windows. If you are sticking to macOS environment or Apple environment, then GoodNote is the app to go. And the reason why I am saying is it feels like you are writing in a piece of paper. And whether you write in your iPad or even I do have got this pen tab. I use it whenever I want to use GoodNote desktop and want to write in my Mac. It works flawlessly, and not only you can create new notes, but you can also use GoodNotes for annotating PDF as well. GoodNote also comes with all necessary bells and whistles, now even powered by AI. The only con that I see in case of GoodNote is you cannot own it and you need to subscribe for a year, 6 months or 3 months, which is really frustrating. But if that's not the concern, then I would definitely suggest you GoodNote. And if you want me to pick one more app that is absolutely free, again, if you are only working in Apple on environment, you can use Apple Notes, or else I would suggest you to go with Microsoft OneNote. Now let's talk about category number 2, which is task management. In case of task management, our best pick is To-Do List. Meet To-Do List, the app that keeps your life on track. Trusted by over 47 million people. I mean, so many people have downloaded it. To-Do List app is a powerhouse to-do list and a planner that work on all devices. You can add tasks there in seconds. For example, you can even say or type like submit report every Monday at 9 a.m. and To-Do List will automatically set up a recurring reminder. Its intuitive design lets you organize your task into projects or Kanban boards, set priorities and integrate with your calendar and email. You never miss a deadline or forget a task again. Plus, they also have added gamification there. Completing tasks earn you karma points. The only con I see in these kind of apps is self-discipline. Sometimes our motivation is high, so we generally start using these apps. And if we are not self-disciplined, then it is very hard to, keep on following these apps. Now let's talk about creativity. And when I'm talking about creativity, I am talking about utilization of this pencil and your iPad to build a drawing. And for all creatives, Procreate is an absolute game changer. This app is a king of all iPad art apps, offering a fluid and log-like drawing experience with your iPad pencil. It delivers everything an artist or a designer could ask for. Hundreds of customizable brushes, layers, and blending effect, and even 3D painting feature. And the good thing about it is, let's say, you are newbie and you made some mistake, you always have option to undo that. And that's the power of digital art. Not only that, Procreate also let you record a time lapse of your artwork automatically, such that you can watch or share your creative process. Now let's talk about our fourth category, which is study tool. In this category, I have selected an app which is also sometimes used for project management, which is known as Notion. When it comes to study and organizing information, Notion is an ultimate all-in-one workspace. You can think this app as your digital binder, planner, and notebook combined. Notion lets you take structured notes, build to-do list, create calendar for your assignment, and even manage project with your teammates. All these features are in single app. It is super flexible. You can design your own study dashboard with pages for each class, embed PDF or videos, and link ideas together. Planning an essay or a research project, Notion's database and template features have you covered. And the best part for a student, it is free to use and sync across all iPad, laptop, and phone seamlessly. So, if you are a student, then I will definitely suggest you to give this app a try. Now, let's talk about our last app, or a productivity suite, which is king of productivity, full stop. No app or productivity suite or user base comes even close to it. I am talking about none other than Microsoft Office. Yes, you can run almost full Microsoft Office on an iPad. And yes, it is awesome. Microsoft Mobile Office brings you Word for document, Excel for spreadsheet, and PowerPoint for presentation. Although I would say it is not exactly same the way we see in case of Windows desktop, but I would say Microsoft have covered almost all features to this Office suite. This is the same Office you know and trust, now optimized for touch. In fact, no other suite really matches the breadth of functionality of Office has. You can review and track changes in Word, crunch number, formulas, and chart in Excel, or design slide in PowerPoint, all from your iPad. It is fully cloud connected, so you can start editing a file on your iPad, finish it later on your laptop. The transition is seamless as long as you are connected to internet and signed in. And if you can pair it with your keyboard and mouse, your iPad become a portable office. For business users, this means you can travel light and still get real work done on the go. It's a total productivity boost having the industry standard office tools in your fingertip. And with keyboard and mouse experience in iPad, you can take your productivity to the next level. So those were our top 5 picks to turbocharge your iPad productivity. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential as we keep on bringing these kind of tips and tricks for your iPad. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.